Hi everyone. Hi Christina from Bulacan. Chito from Mandaluyong. Joel from Lipa, Batangas. Hi. From Mindanao, Abra, Dasmariñas, Cavite, GMA, Davao, Isabela. Hello. Antipolo, Mandaluyong, and Bulacan. Hi. Hi viewers. All the way from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and overseas. Kamusta kayo dyan? To our nurses out there, hello! Nasa duty ba kayo? Okay, comment nyo naman kung taga saan kayo. Hello, Mary Joy from Pampanga. Wow, thank you. Donnie from Cebu City. Hi, Donnie. Maulan ba dyan sa Cebu? From Mads from Batangas. Hello, Batangas. Kumusta kayo? From Zoom naman, good afternoon, Mr. Mar. Taga saan ka? Alright. So, be active. If you have any questions or concerns, just comment down below. Okay? At ito pala, we are giving prizes for the 5 lucky winners, 2 winners for active participants in Zoom and Facebook Live, and 3 winners for our game later. Okay? So now, we will start. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Of PNI International Corp, and I'll be your host for today's sessions. Before we begin this webinar, let us pray first.
Let us put ourselves in a holy presence of God. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the opportunity to gather together today. We ask that you open our hearts, minds, and souls as we discover more about the world around us. We pray that you will guide us in all ways so that we will seek your will in everything that we do. We ask all of this in the name of Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen. Let us put
Okay. So we would like to extend our very warm welcome for those who's joining us today in the Zoom and to our FB Live. We appreciate you taking time of your busy schedules to join us in this webinar. Hi nurses! Hi viewers, participants! I hope is everything doing well. Comment nyo nga kung taga saan kayo. Okay. So, as mentioned earlier, we are giving prizes for those 5 lucky winners. 2 winners for the active participants in the Zoom and Facebook Live. And 3 winners for our game later. Alright? For 2 active participants, kailangan nyo lang mag-comment at mag-share sa ating webinar sa Facebook and Zoom. For other 3 winners, kailangan nyo lang makinig sa ating webinar, especially sa ating guest speaker from Visa Solutions Healthcare. During sa ating short game, magbibigay kami ng 3 tanong. Kailangan nyo lang sumagot sa Facebook comment section at sa chat box. For Zoom participants, at kung sino yung unang makakuha ng tamang sagot, ay siyang pipiling winner. Okay? So, may mga staff po kami from PNI International na tutulong sa pag-check sa bawat engagement ng mga Facebook audience at participants in Zoom. So, rest assured na on time naming makita ang bawat sagot sa tanong nyo later. Okay? So now, today, we're here to discuss your pathway to success. How PNI International Corp and Visa Solutions Healthcare empower nurses for a fulfilling career in the USA. This webinar will give you more insight about who is PNI and Visa Solutions Healthcare. At dahil dyan, we have a wonderful and experts who will tackle about the process and qualifications going to the US. And speaking to the experts from Visa Solutions Healthcare, allow me to introduce our two guest speakers, Mr. Fred Sampang, the Director of International Healthcare Philippines. He is Philippine Registered Nurse or PHRN and United States Registered Nurse or USRN. And our very own Mr. Nino Columna, Partnership Manager of Visa Solutions Healthcare. Good afternoon, sirs.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Ayan. So good afternoon, sir. So reminders to all viewers, be active, participate, and listen para may chance kayong manalo later. All right? So much for that. Let's proceed to our agenda. So, overview, why nursing career in the US are an attractive option, nursing career landscape in the US, about PNI International Corporation, about Visa Solutions Healthcare, the process from application to arrive in the USA, benefits and partnering, and how to get started. All right. So, why nursing career in the US are an attractive option? Kasi, unang-una, in demand ngayon ang mga nurses. And pangalawa, it offers competitive salaries and benefits. Okay, mga nurses, malinaw ba? Comment naman kayo dyan. Like and share po. Heart naman kayo. From Paul from Negros. Hi, Paul. Gino from Capiz. Wow. Charlie from KSA. Wow. Hi, Middle East. Kamusta ang weather dyan? Algin from QC. Okay. So, the nursing career landscape in the USA. So, there is a shortage estimate. So, meaning, may kakulangan sa mga nurses sa US ngayon. At ngayon, aging workforce. At isa sa naging dahilan ay nearly 20% of registered nurse are age 55 older. So maliwanag ba mga viewers, participants? At dahil dyan, lot of opportunities in US healthcare. So number 1, job stability. Career growth. Ito yung madami tayong matututunan, advanced technology, and excellent facilities. Di ba? And why we choose to go in the USA? Dahil may work-life balance, higher salaries, and access to advanced medical technologies. At isa pa dyan, the most exciting, madadala natin ang ating family. So push na mga nurses, ano pa bang inaantay natin? I-push na natin ang ating American dream. Okay? So again, reminders to all viewers, be active and listen dahil may 5 lucky winners later. Two special prize for 2 active participants and 500 pesos for each lucky winner sa games natin later. So, pa-like naman kayo, pa-share naman dyan. All the way from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and overseas. Hi there! Hello po! Ayan, makinig kayo. Ayan, at dahil dyan, this time, it's to know who is PNI. Okay, so PNI International Corp is 25 years in the industry. And we have experience placing various or wide range industries like healthcare, engineering, hospitality, oil and gas, etc. So aside from that, we have global presence and partners around Asia, Middle East, Europe, New Zealand, Canada, and of course, USA. All right? And we have a special partnership with Visa Solutions Healthcare to place nurses in the US. At dahil dyan, we can learn more from our guest speaker. So, meron kaming inihandang video about PNI. So, let's watch this. And now, this time around, our guest speaker will have the virtual floor to discuss who is Visa Solutions Healthcare, about the process, the benefits, services they offer, and the requirements in order to get started. Sir Fred Sarnino, the virtual floor is now yours.
Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. So I think my colleague can't unmute himself. Can we unmute Nino, please? So hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for joining our webinar today. I know everyone is very busy. So my name is Fred Sampang. I'm the director for Visa Solutions Healthcare. Together with me is my partner, Nino Columna. He is our partnerships manager here in the Philippines. Ems, thank you very much for that wonderful introduction and start of our webinar. So,
Thank you,
again,
Fred.
to everyone here, thank you very much for taking time. We will surely make sure that your time that you have allocated here will not be wasted, and we will be informing you all the things that you need to know for our registered nurses on how to go to the United States. And by the way, I just want to inform you that I'm also a registered nurse by profession. So my dear nurse colleagues, if you have friends pa, please do inform them that join this webinar. Those that your colleagues, your friends, your family members that want to go to the United States, please share this information. We're live in Facebook. You can always share that in your page. Okay? So I'll give the floor to Nino. I'll be back later. Nino can discuss all about Visa Solutions Healthcare Program. Nino, take it away.
Thank you so much, Fred. Thank you so much, EMS and PNI team, for the lovely introduction. All right. So, and thank you to PNI for making this session and to all of the participants who joined this webinar. And just like what Fred mentioned, we hope that this webinar and info session would be very helpful to all of you. All right. So let me introduce Visa Solutions. Next slide, please. All right. So Visa Solutions Healthcare transforms the lives of international nurses while helping American healthcare organizations fill their core staff shortages. So, with Visa Solutions, highly qualified staff members worldwide, our vision is to find the best global talent using proprietary tools, proven processes, and a global network. With Visa Solutions Healthcare, we provide our healthcare clients with the leading and most efficient recruiting solutions to fill their core staff openings while reducing dependency on contract labor. So to know more about Visa Solutions Healthcare, please watch this video. All right. Thank you. Thank you for that. All right. So are you? I hope that all of the participants in this session are registered nurses, because if you are an aspiring USRN and if you would like to qualify in our Care for Your American Dream, this session is for you. So the steps that you can see in your screen right now is our high-level perspective of your journey if you're going to pursue your application with Visa Solutions Healthcare. So the first thing that you need to do to proceed with our program is to apply to PNI. All right, so send your resume, and EMS, Kurt, and the rest of the PNI team can pre-qualify and pre-assess your qualifications. And if in the event that you pass their pre-screening, you are going to proceed with the initial interview with our Talent Relations Advocate team, or TRAs. If you pass the initial interview with the Talent Relations Advocate team, the team or the Visa Solutions Healthcare will going to offer you the service agreement. What is the service agreement? The service agreement is a consent, or is an agreement between you and Visa Solutions Healthcare And it was stipulated there that you are agreeing and is eligible to the benefits and the services to what Visa Solutions Healthcare offers. What are services and offers? Later, I'm going to discuss as we go along with the presentation. Second, you understand that Visa Solutions Healthcare and PNI are not your employer. We are following the direct hire method. So your employer will be directly the US hospital across 65 hospitals across the United States. Third, you agree that Visa Solutions Healthcare will process your EB3 visa application. You heard it right, because again, Visa Solutions Healthcare is offering EB3 visa, and EB3 visa would let would let you legally live and work in the United States, bring along your family, and of course, um, become a resident in the United States after 5 years. And lastly, in the service agreement, it was stipulated there that you need to sign the service agreement to proceed to the next step. And that is the client matching. So as long as you are not signing the service agreement, we cannot divulge the information of our clients and which state you are going to proceed with your application. So as I mentioned a while ago, we do have 65 US hospitals or facilities across the United States, and we are going to give you the liberty which hospital and which state you would like to pursue your application. Okay, so after the client matching, we are also going to prepare you for the interview, ensuring that you are going to pass the client interview. And after the client interview, next slide, you are going to have the offer of employment. The offer of employment, the stipulations there are the common information such as the location, the compensation, the hourly rate that you are going to get, the eligibilities like the premiums, and the entirety of the compensation was written there. And if you agree and if you sign the employment offer, you are now going to work with our credentialing team. As I mentioned, in the credentialing team and the immigration process, Visa Solutions Healthcare does have like enabled team members that is very knowledgeable to help you process your NCLEX, your English language test, and your immigration, and to obtain your EB3 visa. In the credentialing team, there are two phases. The first phase is the NCLEX. So Visa Solutions Healthcare will going to shoulder the review and exam of your NCLEX. And the second phase in the credentialing team is the review and exam of your English language. Just like NCLEX, Visa Solutions Healthcare will also reimburse and or pay upfront your review and exam of your English language. Sounds good? Thumbs up if it sounds good for you. In the immigration process, I would like to highlight what was written and what you can see in your screen. When filed, there is 12 to 18 months average timeline, USCIS, NVC, and consular appointment. Okay, so in this stage, I know it's long, but at the end, you're going to reap what you sow. Okay, because again, we are offering EB3 visa. Okay, and in this stage, there's only two things that we would be needing from you as our applicant. First is that we need an immediate response from you. Remember, the sooner you reply and comply with the documents, the sooner you can get in the America. Okay. And the second one is the consular appointment. We are going to let you know when are your interview in the US Embassy. All right. And that's the second thing that we want from you, to show up in the US Embassy in Rojas Boulevard here in the Philippines. All right. After obtaining the EB3 visa, we are going to coordinate with you. As I mentioned, EB3 visa would help you to bring your family along with you. So once you obtain your EB3 visa together with your family, we are going to coordinate with you your apartment. And on top of that, um, Visa Solutions Healthcare will pay the 30-day rent of your apartment. and we are going to pay the full utilities of the place you're going to stay. Okay. And of course, Visa Solutions Healthcare will shoulder your airfare ticket from Philippines to your employer destination. All right. Visa Solutions Healthcare will be along with you in this stage. I know it looks simple, but Visa Solutions Healthcare will not going to abandon you. We will be here to guide you all throughout your VSH journey up until you arrived in the United States. All right. So I know that those are the things that sounds good already, but there are more that I would like to share with all of you. So first, as I mentioned, Visa Solutions Healthcare is following the direct placement model. In the United States, there are two types of recruitment method. The first is the staffing model and the direct placement model. So Visa Solutions Healthcare, we are following the direct placement, meaning to say you are going to be hired directly by the US facility, US hospital facility. All right. And having said that, you are going to receive an excellent compensation and benefits. Why? Basically because Visa Solutions Healthcare will not deduct anything from your salary. You're going to get your salary 100% plus your premium. Okay. Keeping families together, as I mentioned, we are offering EB3 visa. It's an employment-based visa for your family so they can join you once you are going to the United States. As I mentioned, I would like to reiterate that Visa Solutions Healthcare will shoulder the review and exam of your NCLEX and review and exam of your English language test of your choice. So it could be IELTS, PTE, OET, MET, TOEFL, right? But I would like to highlight IELTS because IELTS is the English language that is being accepted by majority of the states. Majority of the states. All right. So next is the immigration support processing EB3 visa. As I mentioned, we do have capable and enabled team members all throughout the credentialing up until the immigration and up until you obtain your EB3 visa. And of course, Visa Solutions Healthcare will help you all throughout with your relocation and transition assistance. Sounds good? Wait, there's more. All right. So first thing first, we are going to help you to prepare your resume, highlighting all of your strengths, uh, all of what is good on your resume so that it would be attractive in our clients. All right. Next, we are going to help you all throughout the immigration, guiding you through the document compilation. We are going to pay the immigration. Visa Solutions Healthcare will pay for the attorney cost and NVC fee, and we are going to coordinate with you with your embassy appointment preparation. All right. Next, relocation. Again, we are going to help you to obtain your one-way flight ticket from Philippines going to your employer destination. We are going to help you to source for housing options for you and your family. And of course, Visa Solutions Healthcare will pay for the security deposit and first month's rent and first month's utilities. In the United States, unlike here in the Philippines, that you can rent an apartment just across the US hospital, or you can just go to your work location, walking distance. In the United States, you really need to drive because geographically, United States is really, really huge. All right. So that's why Visa Solutions Healthcare partnered with International Auto Source because we are going to help you to let you buy your first car. Let me reiterate though that Visa Solutions Healthcare will not buy you a car. All right, but instead we are going to help you purchase your first car in the United States. Why it is important? Because in the United States, you need to earn credit score first. All right, so Visa Solutions Healthcare will vouch for you to get your first car. And of course, we're going to help you settle your bank account, your cell phone account, and if in the event that you chose a country that requires SSN, Visa Solutions Healthcare will help you get your social security number as well. Okay. And I would like to highlight this because it is very important. Once you are a newbie in a country, Visa Solutions Healthcare will pay each nurse 1,000 US dollars arrival bonus. Sounds good? All right. On top of those, we are going to shoulder or we're going to help you with your pre-employment requirements such as certifications, new hire paperwork, vaccine titers, and of course, your cultural adaptation course, assimilation orientation ambassador program, and buddy system. So we are going to assure that you are not you're not going to feel alone in the United States. All right. So, how are you going to qualify in our system or for your care for your dream program? So, first is that you need to have a license in your home country. So, if you are a nurse and if, for example, that you are a fresh graduate, you need to get your license. Go to PRC, no, and register. So, second is that you should be a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, okay, and have at least 2 years of nursing experience or more, depending on client specialty requirement. And EMS and PNI team who's going to do the pre-qualifications will let you know if you are qualified for our program. Fourth, um, of course, we wanted to have an assurance that or that you, as an R applicant, can pass your NCLEX. But I would like to reiterate, Visa Solutions Healthcare have several programs to identify if you are qualified to take your NCLEX exam because we do have an Archer baseline assessment test where we can gauge if you are going to pass your NCLEX or not. Okay, so that's one of the initiative of Visa Solutions Healthcare to ensure that you are going to you are going to arrive in the United States. And of course, one of the most important things is that you can obtain at least 3 reference letters or obtain or present an employment certificate during your immigration process because it is one of the documents that is needed in the um, immigration. That's why it is very important that you are currently employed if you are going to proceed with our program. Okay. What are the vacancies that we have right now? You can see in the screen, we are currently looking for 2 year bedside or hospital setting experience in the following areas. So general medical, surgical, cardio, telemetry, general ICU, CV, ICU, ER, PCU, HDU, or step-down ICU. We are also in need of oncology, OB, and L&D, medical surgical clinics, SNF, and those who worked with LTAC. Okay, so I would like to turn over the microphone, the virtual microphone, to my colleague Frederick Sampang, the director and the country director of Visa Solutions Healthcare here in the Philippines. Hi, Fred.
Thank you very much, Nino. So, hello everyone. Are you still there? Can you type those in Zoom and in Facebook? Are you still there? Yes. Can you type yes, thumbs up, heart? Yes, yes. So, are you finding all the information very helpful? So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to type them here in Zoom or in Facebook so that we can answer all of them later in the Q&A. And who knows, right? You might win the prize later that PNI is going to give away. So just to share what and reiterate what you have already mentioned. So there's a lot, right? So there's so many things that we can offer to you. Again, the things that we have mentioned are the things that Visa Solutions Healthcare will be giving you. This is on top of the other things that your employer, well, I mean, we have a lot of employers, each one have their own different packages and benefits that they're going to be giving. So what we have mentioned that's what Visa Solutions Healthcare will be giving each of our candidates. So this is on top of the benefits that you will be getting with your respective employers. I would like to reiterate, Visa Solutions Healthcare, we offer a direct placement recruitment model. Okay, we are not a staffing company. We offer direct placement. We are not your employer. PNI is not your employer. Your employer is the US Healthcare Hospital. So who will be giving your salary? It's going to be the healthcare facility. We don't have any cut on your salary. Okay? So, and the same thing also, the visa that we're going to offer is EB3 or Immigrant Employment-Based Immigrant Visa. So I know a lot of you have also heard about H-1B. Okay, so H-1B is a working type of visa. Okay, so let me differentiate the two types of visa. With H-1B or the working type of visa, from the word itself, you're giving a working visa. So what does that equate to? So you need to have work so that you will have that visa. So if you don't have any work, then you don't have any visa. What does that mean? You don't have the right to stay in the United States. So if, for example, you got that visa and you have gone to the United States, you must keep that employment. If that employment, okay, is gone, then your work visa will be canceled. Then you don't have the right to stay in the US. So you have to go home. Okay? So that's what you call this, the caveat for that. With the immigrant visa or the EB3 visa that we are offering, remember, this is permanent residency. So once you obtain the EB3 visa, okay, you are already a permanent resident of the United States. Whether you have work or not, you can stay because you are already a resident. Okay? Also, you can bring your dependents, your valid dependents, which Nino had already mentioned. So, at the same time, okay, after 5 years of staying in the United States, you can now what? What do you call this? Apply for citizenship, okay, and be already a citizen of the United States, okay? So that's just a quick preview of the two type of visas, okay? Although the EB3 or the immigrant visa takes time, okay, because again, it is an immigrant visa, so there are more checks and balances that they're doing compared to a working type of visa. But again, the benefits that it can give you, okay, and the stability that it can give you is worth it. It's worth the wait. So speaking of that, waiting time, okay, have you heard of retrogression? Have you heard of the word retrogression? Yes or no? Okay, I don't see any comment. Yes, yes, okay. So, are you afraid of retrogression? Are you? No, wow. Good one. MJ, Nadine, Aldrin, no. They have said no. Who else in Facebook? Come on, be active, our Facebook followers. Are you afraid? Okay, so the answer should be no. Because retrogression, again, it's normal and it's temporary. So before the September bulletin, okay, our date of retrogression for Filipinos is what? December 2020. But come the October visa bulletin, which was just released this September, what? It jumped to November 15, 2022. So that's almost 2 years jump. Okay? So why did the jump happen in just 1 month's time frame? Okay? It's because October is the start of the fiscal year of the United States. So there are new batches of immigrant visas available already again for this fiscal year. Henceforth, the jump in the priority date. So what am I saying here? What point do I want to give? Okay, again, this retrogression is not fixed, it's temporary, and at the same time, what you call it, it's normal. So what do we want you to do now is to take your NCLEX already. Okay? So because it's only when you pass your NCLEX that we can file your immigrant visa or your I-140, and then you can get your priority date. Okay? The priority date is very important because that's it's like you are going to a counter and then they ask you to take a number. So that priority date is your number. It's your queue. Okay? So it's important that you get that number so that you're already in the line. Okay? Because who knows, again, next month, the priority date might jump and then you might be included in that jump, right? Because we don't know how big or how short the jump would be every month. So it's important that you pass your NCLEX as quickly as possible because the process is still the same. Okay, it will never change. Okay, applying to the nursing state board. Okay, and then reviewing for the NCLEX, taking the NCLEX, and then after passing the NCLEX, filing of your immigration documents, and then reviewing of immigration documents by the USCIS until they're giving you the priority date. That process, it's the same, okay? So it will never be new. So what you need to do is to start now so that your mindset should be able to get that priority date as quick as you can so that you can have that queue, you can have that number so that you will be in line already. So that should be your goal. Okay? So that is just a brief snippet of the immigration or the processes that is involved in your US applications. But if you want to know more about our program and how we can help you achieve that American dream, flashed in your screen our social media accounts. Please follow us because we release updates there so that you can be updated in what you call this, in all the happenings of Visa Solutions Healthcare, announcements about the US, etc. Okay, so also I did notice that we have viewers from outside the Philippines. So nurses that's working outside the Philippines, good news also is that we can process your application right where you are. Okay, so you don't need what you call this, you don't need to go back to the Philippines to process any of your application. We can do that at the comforts of wherever you are in the world. Okay, so if you are qualified, depending on if Nino already presented to you, right, the qualifications that we require, if all of those you have ticked, what are you waiting for? Send over your application to EMS at PNI because they are our partner DMW POEA license agency. Okay, send that over to M so that we can process your application. So I hope I did not bore you. Again, if you have any questions, please type them over in Zoom or in Facebook so that we can answer all your questions later. So I'll give back the floor now to EMS.
Ayan. So, thank you Sir Fred and Sir Nino for the insightful presentation and discussion. Ayan, viewers, nurses, narinig nyo ang mga perks ng Visa Solutions Healthcare, di ba? So, it's refundable ang NLEX and English exam. All you need to do is to keep your receipt para ma-refund natin. So, wow! Ang swerte nyo naman, mga nurses. So, amazing! At ito pa, may arrival bonus pa kayo na 1,000 USD. Kaya, ano pang inaantay nyo? Send na kayo ng CV nyo. Apply na. Push na natin ang ating American dream. We care for your dream. Diba? So if you have any more question, just comment sa FB Live and Zoom, and later we will be having a Q&A, which is our speakers will going to answer. Hi, Mar from Nueva Ecija. Paul from Germany. Hi. Hello, Dinky. How are you? All right. Thank you, viewers. So now, mamimili na kami ng most active participants from the Zoom. Ayan, sino kaya ang most participant from Zoom? Wow, congratulations! Mr. Aldrin Campos. Wow, very good. And Mr. Charlie Limbang. Wow, congrats. Ayan, meron kayong GCash mamaya. Okay? So, congratulations again. So, before the Q&A, mag-games muna tayo. All you have to do is to answer the questions that will flash on your screen. Ayan, kung nakinig kayo kanina mga viewers, eto na ang mga tanong. So, madali lang ito. Super dali lang ang mga questions natin. Kung nakinig kayo. Okay? Ayan. So, dito na tayo sa question number 1. What placement is Visa Solutions Healthcare offering for nurses to US? Okay? So, ayan, may nanalo na. Diyan. Ayan, sino kaya ang nakinig nito? Wow, Mr. Aldrin! Very good. So, nanalo ka ng 500 pesos via GCash. Okay? Congrats again, Aldrin. Thank you. Ayan na. Dito naman tayo sa question number 2. So, super dali lang din ito, mga viewers. Come on, nurses! Ayan. So, how much is the arrival bonus providing by Visa Solutions Healthcare? Gusto nyo ba ng clue? Ang dali nito, na-mention kanina ni Sir Fred and Sir Nino. Ayan. So, ayan, congratulations to DZYD from Pasig. Wow! Hi, Pasig. Hello, Pasig. Ayan na. So, again, congratulations, winners. And dito tayo sa number 3 question. Ayan, makinig kayo. How many years of bedside experience required to qualify? O, di ba? Ang dali lang yan. Nurses, come on. Viewers, sagot na. Sayang naman ang 500 natin. May pang SB na tayo. Or may pang unlimited load na tayo. Okay? So, sino kaya ang nakinig? Sino kaya ang tamang sagot? Ayan, from Jasper. Taga saan si Jasper? Hi, Jasper. Congratulations. Thumbs up naman. Taga saan ka? Ayan. Thank you. Again, mga winners, congratulations. Please drop your contact details or GCash number to the chat box, and later some of our staff will call you. So now, we will start the Q&A portion. Ready na ba kayo, mga viewers, participants? Ayan, ready na ba yung mga questions nyo, mga concerns nyo? So if you have any questions, just comment down sa Zoom and FB Live. Okay, so ayan na, magtanong na tayo. Sir Fred and Sir Nino will take the questions. Okay. So this is for Sir Fred. Once hired, are we going to be affected by the retrogression?
Okay, so again, thank you very much for the question. Well, it depends on what again your status is in terms of your immigration application. So number one, if for example, upon your application with us, upon hiring, you already have a priority date. It depends on the priority date that you have. If you already you fall under before November 15, 2022, then we can already process your immigrant visa. But of course, if that's beyond November 15, 2022, then we have to wait until your priority date has been reached. Okay? But if, for example, you are someone that's just starting, okay, application to a nursing state board in the United States, then of course you will still go at the back of the queue. So what are we saying? What are we emphasizing here? Start now so that you already have your process, the process of your application is already commenced, has already commenced, review already for your NCLEX so that it's simultaneous. And then once you have your eligibility, take your NCLEX already and pass it. Because we cannot file your immigration case until you have passed your NCLEX. So that is your goal. Pass your NCLEX as quickly as possible and file your immigration case as quickly as possible so that you can get the priority date.
Okay. So thank you, Sir Fred. And next question, please. Question from Miss Charlie. So, minimum band score for English test, OET or IELTS? Sir Nino, would you like to answer the question?
Yes, sure. So, it's Charlie ba yung nagtanong? All right. So, for IELTS,
From
the
Charlie.
overall band score should be 6.5, but the speaking should be 7. All right. For OET, writing should be 300, or C plus or higher. Then, in listening, 300 or C plus or higher, then reading 300 din. Pero yung speaking should be 350/B or higher.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Sir Nino.
Sure.
Ayan, may tanong pa tayo. How many years ang contract? Sir Fred?
The contract is 3 years. This is in accordance to the rules and regulations of the Department of Migrant Workers.
Wow. Thank you, sir. So, ayan na, 3 years. So, narinig nyo yung mga sagot ni Sir Fred and Sir Nino. So, another question. What if experience? What if experience is in OPD in hospital? Is it still acceptable for applying?
Okay, I guess I'll take that question. So, Christine, you're working in the OPD. Unfortunately, we don't have any vacancies for OPD. I suggest you go to any of the units that are catering to inpatient cases. So, like for example, your medical surgical floors, cardiac telemetry, ICU. So those are the vacancies that we have the most. So that's my suggestion. So if you can move to those areas that take care of inpatient and general units, then that would be best.
Okay. Ayan. Clear po ba, Christine? Miss Christine? Okay. So, meron pa tayong question. How about the nurse has less than 2 years experience but already passed in NCLEX?
Okay. So Chantal, thank you for that question. Again, it depends how long, or because less than 2 years, it depends how long it is. Is it what? Less just 1 year, or maybe 1 year and 9 months. So again, it varies. So my suggestion is send that CV to M so that she can review, and we can also see it because she's going to share it so that we can advise you correctly. Okay, so again, congratulations on passing your NCLEX though.
Okay, Chantal? All right. So, valid po ba 6 years ambulance nurse experience?
Okay, so
Sir Nino?
go Nins, if you want to answer.
Go ahead, Fred. It's
Okay.
technical.
So, I can see here, MJ Flores asking from emergency medical services or ambulance nurse, and there's also the question of RMJ ambulance nurse. So, unfortunately, ambulance nursing or EMT, is not something that that the US is recognizing for ER alone. So, because again, it's not focused really on inpatient. So my suggestion is that you also work in the ER. Okay? So you can still do EMT work, but also do ER work. Okay? Because you can also be dealing with inpatient services. So that is the most important thing.
Wow.
So
Thank you, Sir
let me
Fred.
answer also. There's a question on dialysis. So sorry, we don't cater to hemodialysis. We don't have any dialysis centers. So my suggestion still go to inpatient services of a hospital so that you can be qualified.
All right. So thank you, Sir Fred. Ito pa, may additional question pa sila. Any available direct car hospital in Texas?
Yes, we do have in Texas. So we can't divulge the name because it's confidential, of course. But if you apply, then that's something that we can discuss one.
Okay. So next question, please. How about age limit daw po?
You can
Yeah.
answer it.
We do not have age limit because in the United States, they do not discriminate age. Right. So as long as you are capable to work, you are welcome to apply.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Sir Nino. So may katanungan pa ba? From ito. Is there sign-on bonus from employer beside 1K that VSH will give?
Okay, let me answer that. Unfortunately, there's no sign-on bonus with us. However, let me just highlight, okay, sign-on bonuses usually are given by staffing agencies. Okay, I'm not generalizing. Majority. I would like to emphasize the word majority. So majority of staffing agencies, they are the one that gives staffing or what you call this sign-on bonuses. The reason that they can give sign-on bonuses is because, again, number one, they have a cut on the salary of the nurses. Number two, what you call this, the differentials. What are the differentials? The overtime pay, the night differential, the holiday pays, sometimes or most of the time, these differentials are not given to the nurse. In the contract of staffing agencies, okay, you are just eligible for the basic pay. These differentials, if you have incurred them, they go now to the agency. So these agencies now have more money to give to when they do recruitment. So where does the sign-on bonuses come from? Those are coming from the nurses that they originally deployed and got cut from their salary or from their differentials. So again, don't be blinded with sign-on bonuses. Think of the long-term benefit. Okay, sign-on bonuses, they look big at the start, but if you will think about it, when you have commenced, compute your salary, okay, as compared to when you don't have any cut. So if you will be computing those, you will see that you should have earned bigger, okay? When you were able to get your full salary without any cut from the agency. Okay? So again, think long term, not just the short term.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. So another question. Available po ba ang OR department?
Okay, so I saw here questions about OR and mental health. OR, that is a vacancy that's fastly filled, and we don't have a lot of vacancies for OR. So unfortunately, but if you can move to another area of general nursing care, like the wards, then that would be better. Mental health, unfortunately, we don't. So again, if you can shift to a more general one, like the general medical floors or units, that would be better as
well. Okay, yan. Thank you, Sir Fred. So another question. Are you also paying for the visa fee for our relatives once we hired?
Means?
Sure. So with Visa Solutions Healthcare, we only pay for the visa fee of the applicant. So if you would like to bring along with your family, you're going to shoulder their fees.
Yes. Just to add on to that, number one, it's not going to be like quick. Again, this is a long-term process, so you will still have time to make ipon. But the good thing though is that it will be shouldered with you, but in terms of filing and the process, you can be filed as a group. Okay, so we will take care of that. So at least that's something that you won't be worrying about in terms of, oh my gosh, how am I going to process my relatives? What are documents that they need, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we will help you with that.
Okay. So thank you, Sir Fred. Mag-hi lang ako kay Kel Dollar. Hi, Kel. How are you? Thank you for watching. Ayan. So ito na yung last question natin. Possible range po ba for more than 6 years experience in ER, medical, surgical?
Okay. Shari, thank you for that question. Again, I cannot really say in terms of the salary range because number one, it depends on which employer you will be going, the location of the employer, and the state. Again, each state have different costs, different taxation systems. So the salary per location, per state differs. So again, important is we give you first an employer, and then that will now depend which location and which state that employer would be. But just to assure you, the more bedside experience that you have, the higher your salary is in the United States.
All right. So mga viewers, yung mga ibang questions, sasagutin na lang namin after this session. Okay? So, Sa mga winners, please comment your GCash number sa aming chat box. So
Pwede ko rin ba
again,
i-comment yung
please
GCash
like
number ko,
and
and
follow our Facebook. Sorry, sir.
pwede ko rin ba i-comment yung GCash number ko?
Yes, sir. Yes na yes po. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Fred, Sir Nino. Thank you, viewers, for the questions. Ayan. So again, please like and follow our Facebook, PNI International Corp, PNI VSH, our official FB page for nurses, our LinkedIn, PNI International, and our Instagram, PNI International _ nurses. And of course, official FB page of Visa Solutions Healthcare. So again, thank you, viewers, participants, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, so to those interested applicants, you may contact or send your CV to the email address shown on your screen. Before we end this session, Sir Fred, Sir Nino, do you have something to say more to the nurses and to our viewers?
Nino?
Well, thank you again to PNI team for arranging this session, and thank you to all of the viewers and participants who joined this session. I hope that this session is helpful for you guys.
Yes. Again, thank you very much, PNI International, for organizing this webinar. And to all our viewers, thank you for taking time. I know that you are all busy, my fellow nurses, but you took time in joining in our webinar. Congratulations to all the winners. Again, let me just reiterate, start now. Do not delay your application. So if you haven't started any of the process and you're not yet qualified based on what Nino mentioned in terms of our qualifications, start working on them now. Okay, do not delay. And if you are already qualified based on what we have discussed, what are you waiting for? Send that CV. All you need to do is update your CV and send that to EMS. And let's start your American dream. So with that, we'll end this program and thank you very much. I'll give the floor back to EMS.
All right. Thank you, Sir Fred and Sir Nino. Once again, thank you very much and looking forward to your CV. So, push na natin ang ating American dream. We care for your dream. So, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Congratulations, PNI.
Thank you, Sir Fred, Sir Nino.